guys, Wendy here. Today I am replacing a track that a bifold door goes on. This is should be a quick and easy job. And this is what the old track looks like. And they use two pieces of metal and both ends are worn down. So I got this bifold door kit and it's 60-inch, so I will have to use a hacksaw to shorten it a little bit, but it will be one intact piece and hopefully this will be better than what was there. So let's get at it. This is the space where the bifold doors go. This is our little laundry nook. And I've already taken down the old track. So I'm just gonna put a quick coat of paint and then I'm gonna put up the new door. Okay, I've got the woodwork all finished up in the other room. This is the old track. This is the new track. And the new track is 60 inches long. The opening measures 55 and 5/8. So I need to trim this 1/8 of an inch shorter. These will go at the bottom of the door. And this little guy sits right inside. And you can adjust your door by lifting this up. You can see that grips right on there. And this goes inside the door. And these screw to the floor. These go on the top. So these ones go towards the center of the bifold doors and the top rolls around along this track. And these are the outside top. So they're stationary. And they've got this give so that you can put the doors in and to be able to adjust the bottom. And what I have to do is measure this now and get a hacksaw and cut it down. So I've made my marks where I'm going to cut with a hacksaw. My hacksaw needs a new blade, so I thought I'd show you how to put this in. The way this one works, comes apart completely. There is no screw holding this top piece. It's pressure of the blade that holds it all together. So that's what it looks like. I have this loosened up, and when I loosen that up, you can see that I can angle this forward. This is the new blade. And if you look closely, you can see the little teeth. They need to be pointing towards the front of the hacksaw. So they are. They're pointing that direction. So you set that on there. And then as I tighten this up, it will tighten up the blade. And you just hand tighten it. You don't want it so tight that your blade snaps. You want it on there securely, and that holds it all together. And you can see this one has 24 teeth per inch. I put the track up, and the next part is to put the new hardware on the old door. As you can see, the original footer piece is slightly smaller than the new piece. I don't have the exact size bit, so I'm going to use the bit that I have and just make the opening slightly bigger. This is the top spring. I'm going to take this one out. And the last piece is the top glide. So I'm going gonna slide this out. Yeah, that one I am gonna have to drill out a little bit. Just tap it in.
So this is the last piece of hardware to go on. This is the base. And I'm just replacing mine so I can line it right up, and it actually lines up perfectly. But you want to make sure it lines up with the track above it. And then one of these, which is in the bottom of my door, you can set it on here, and the little teeth grab on so it won't move. And you can adjust it. You'll just lift up the door a little bit because of the spring at the top, and you can adjust it to get the door in the right place so it will open and close good. So what we're going to do is put the bottom teeth holder into the track at the bottom, and then slide the roller on this track and the pin in the pinhole. So start down here. You got it?
I think so.
Okay. And then you can push that down, and that goes in the track. And I'm going to push this. There we go. We popped it in.
Ooh, good job.
Nice.
Let's see how we did.
Wow. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. This is my daughter Rachel. Thank you so much for your help, and have a great day.